Hello, welcome to another video on astrology. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic that is how can we calculate the date of birth or determine date of birth and time of birth by looking at somebody's chart. Okay, so by looking at the horoscope without any other additional information, just with the Rasi chart, okay, the D1, and with that, how can we find out? And then I will tell you how we'll take an example, and then I will tell you how we are going to determine that. So before going into the example, right, how we can solve this problem? First is we have to look at what are the things, right? We have 9 planets, and 9 planets revolves, even though physically, astronomically, they revolve around Sun, but from astrology point of view, we take Earth as the center point. That is me or us as a center point. We think all the planets are revolving around Earth and determine the position of each planet. Okay, so in that, which is the fastest planet which completes one round, one elliptical cycle, is Moon, right? It takes like approximately 29.5 days to complete a elliptical cycle. And now let us take the which is the slowest planet which completes the elliptical cycle, that is Saturn. So Saturn takes like approximately 30 years to finish the elliptical cycle. So now, what is the next planet, slowest planet? Is Jupiter. That takes like 12 years to complete the elliptical cycle. So basically, these are the planets we will be using to determine the date of that particular charts. Okay. So now let us check an example. So this is some chart, okay, some random chart. And so here now let us first look at what are the planets, where are they positioned. So Saturn, I said, right, Saturn, Moon and Jupiter, these are the 3 planets we will be looking at primarily. Okay, so Saturn is in Cancer and Jupiter is in Libra, Tula Rasi, right? And Karkata Rasi, Saturn is in Karkata Rasi, right? And also, let's just look at what are other planets are there in Karkata Rasi or Cancer. Moon, Venus, Sun, and Mercury. So basically, 5 planets are in Karkata Rasi when this happened. Okay, so and we all know, right? Sun takes like 1 year to complete the elliptical cycle, and then so since Sun is in Karkata Rasi, that is Cancer, that means the native's birth date is somewhere between uh, in the month of August, right? If it is after 15th, then it will become um, the Leo sign, right? Simha Rasi. Sun will move to Simha Rasi. So Sun stays in one sign for 1 month. So we know for sure somebody was born in August. Okay, right. So and we don't know which year it is. Right. So now we are looking at Cancer, Saturn in Cancer, 20 degrees 28 minutes, and Jupiter Libra 25 degrees 52 minutes. Okay. So now this is today's chart. Okay. So today's chart, Saturn is in Sagittarius, that is Dhanushu Rasi, right? And then again, I said the chart is somebody was born in the past. So we have to make Saturn come to Cancer, right here. So how many? 8 signs we have to move backwards, right? So now I'm moving year by year. I'm clicking quickly. Okay, Saturn, Leo has come, right? So one more. Oh, okay, Saturn in Cancer, but 21 degrees 23 minutes. We are looking at 20 degrees 28 minutes. so which is kind of locked in. And now we are looking at Jupiter, Libra, 16 degrees 54 minutes. That is the current position based on this one, right? But the actual value is 25 degrees. So Jupiter is very far ahead, right? So again, we said Jupiter takes 12 years to finish, right? So approximately Jupiter stays in one sign for 1 year. So if it is like around 16-10 degrees, means what? So Jupiter is in seventh, right? So let us see. So now we have locked in that one, and Sun, Venus, Mercury, all the four are in the Cancer sign, but we have to move little bit backwards. Now here we have 21 degrees 23 minutes. So let us, it is not by month, because the moment if I put the month, Sun has gone to Leo, Simha Rasi, that is not the one. So now let us go by date, and here is 21 degrees. We are looking at 20 degrees, that means we have to go backwards, right? So backwards 20 degrees. Okay, by 20 degrees, okay, so here what is the degree? 20 degrees 28 minutes. So 20 degrees 52 minutes. So 28, okay, so 29 approximately. But here Libra, right, Jupiter is still in 16 degrees. We want 25 degrees, right? And then that too, the other planets have moved out. See here, Mercury and Venus has moved out, and so this is not the date year we are looking for. The other planetary positions are not same. Sun position is in 17 degrees, but whereas we are looking for 27 degrees, that means approximately 10 days, right? And if we add 10 days, and then the Sun, Saturn has moved ahead, so this is not the year. 2006 is not the year. August 2006 is not the year or month we are looking for. So now we have to go back another like approximately 30 years. So let's do it. Saturn, Aquarius, Capricorn, Libra. Just keep an eye on Saturn. Oops. Okay, Saturn 25 degrees. Leo, not that one. So this is 25 degrees. Okay, so now we have to bring it to 20 degrees. That means let's reduce the days, right? Okay, so now where is Jupiter? Jupiter is in Gemini, right? So Jupiter is not in Libra, so it has to take another 5 more months, sorry, 5 more years. Then by then Saturn will be here or here, in Leo or in Virgo, right? So this is not the year. Again, 1977 is also not the year we are looking for. So now we have to go back approximately 30 more years. So still Saturn, Leo, yep, we are getting closer. Cancer, okay, 18 degrees. So that means we are looking for 20 degrees 28 minutes. So we have to move forward by the thing. So if we put the next month, it is saying 22 degrees, and Sun also goes to Leo. We want Sun in Cancer, so that is not the month is somewhere around between that period. Okay, so now let's go with the days. Now we are within a month range right now. Okay, so uh, 19 degrees, 20 degrees, 20 degrees, 20. Okay, so here what we wanted Saturn 20 degrees 28 minutes. So now we got 20 degrees 17 minutes, 25 minutes. If I increase one more day, it is going to 32 minutes. So it is somewhere between 15th August 1947 of afternoon 1:40 to 14th August 1947 between 1:40. So that date. So we have locked in the 24-hour period right now, right? So now then I said we can go by the moon, right? Moon takes is the fastest planet, and we can also take the same degree position. So now we are within the days range. So it's no point in incrementing by day. We have to go by hour. So since 20 degrees 25 minutes, that means we have to move forward. It is after that, right? We just saw. So 20, 25, 26 minutes, 6 minutes, 26, 27, 27. Oops, sorry. 27, 28. Okay, we have come to 28. So now here, what are 28 minutes, 22 seconds, and Jupiter 25, 52, 39. So what do we have here? Jupiter 25, 52, 35 we have, but we are looking at 39. So that means even little more ahead, right? So now we are within the hour. Let's see if I put it more. Jupiter 52, 48. What are we looking at? 39. So it is behind. So we are looking at the time between night 11:40 to 12:40, right? Between that 1 hour. So now we have to go by minutes. Now let's go by 10-minute increments. So now since we are talking like within half an hour time, it will be better we look at take the moon's position, 3 degrees 59 minutes. Okay, so because moon is quicker, we can easily narrowly, we can easily find out 59. We want 59 here. 59 has come. And then how many minutes we are looking for? 01. So we have 13 seconds, right? That means we are ahead. It is 21 seconds, right? Okay. 59 to 9, 59. It is that we are looking for 59:20. Okay, 59:21. So we have to now come by the second. Okay, 59:20 has come. So now we locked in. Okay, so then we locked in this one, moon position, everything came, right? So now we have to see whether this is the correct one. So if we just increment by the second, let's see what happens. 02 second also is pretty much the same thing, right? But we have to find out whether it is 01 second or 02 second. How can we do that? Now we are going to look at the ascendant. Okay, so what is the ascendant? 7 degrees 43 minutes 10 seconds. Here we are looking at 7 minutes 43, 7 degrees 43 minutes 26 seconds. So it is not 02. Now let us go 1 second back. 7 degrees 43 minutes 10 seconds. So we have everything. So we have everything. So now by looking at the chart, and of course we need the degrees of those planets, otherwise it becomes very difficult. Because we had the degrees, we could specifically go to the identify the lagna and then the exact time to the second. If we don't have these degrees, we will be in a position to ascertain the date. Okay, the date of birth, or date of birth of that particular chart. So this is nothing but our Indian Independence Day, that is 15th August 1947, midnight 12 o'clock at 1 second. Okay, this is the chart. We try to find out the date based on looking at the horoscope chart, natal chart. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch up on some other day on some other time. For any astrology or palmistry consultation, visit my site at astrologyforyou.us, or call me my number, it's a US number 408-909-5867. Thank you very much. Advanced Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.